Well, I'm Andrew, and we're at Grass Parrot Vineyard. You're next.
Okay, I'm Sarah, and Grass Parrot Vineyard's located at the base of Rockley Mount, just shy of 20 k's outside of Bathurst. Yeah, so we've been here about 25 years, and we just thought the aspect was right for planting grapes. And we first planted Shiraz, 1997?
Yep.
And it's been a great variety for us.
And so in the winemaking process, low intervention. We have no problems with colour. We have pretty good acid. We just make quiet Beaumay, the sugar, and we don't have problems with tannins, so they're quite well balanced wines.